Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be dyeing this wig. Wig will be available for purchase on my site, and it is a 16-inch wig with a 4x4 closure. Today we're going to be dyeing it, okay? So we're going to use this Clairol color, and y'all, we're going to do like a little what they call it, like a little tint to the hair. So we're gonna tint it this nice burgundy color. And you know, back in the day, everybody used to want that like burgundy color to where when you're outside, the burgundy really pops. But when you're in the inside, it's nice and subtle. That's what we're gonna do, okay? So I have my little bowl that I really lost for like 4 weeks and finally found it. So we're going to use that little bowl, and what I'm going to do is just mix the color up, and it'll tell you how to do it and everything, like on the instructions. But basically everything has a number, 1, 2, and 3. You mix 1 and 2 together, and then 3 is the conditioner. All right, and so if you don't have a hair coloring bowl, make sure you invest in one because they're really good. And I've been having this bowl literally for probably about 4 years. And yeah, like I bleach hair in it and I dye hair, so it's really good. So make sure you have it. All right, y'all, and excuse the bowl, okay? It's been through a lot. It got scrapes, scratches, all kind of dents and stains and everything on it. But anyways, right here I'm mixing 1 and 2 together, which like I said, each bottle has a number on it, and then I'm shaking it up. And then I did mix 2 different burgundies, and I'm gonna show y'all the exact 2 burgundies that I use when I get done in just a second. But you want to just shake it up, and I like to pour it in a bowl. You don't have to pour it in a bowl, but for this application I rather pour it in a bowl. So yeah, as you can see, I'm mixing both of them together like so. And yeah, just using my little spatula to stir it up, stir it all together, and this is the color that it's giving me. So what I'm going to do is lay the hair on, I call it its back, but with the closure facing down, and I'm just going to section it off a little bit like this, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. And you guys will get to see how I apply it. You want to make sure you comb out the wig, once you start to apply it. And as you can see, I kind of skipped a little seam, but it's okay. I'll show y'all again. So I'm just going through the hair and applying the color. And you see my little broken comb right there? I'm using that to comb all the color through the hair. So after I apply color to one section, what I do is I comb it out just to be sure that every strand is getting coated with color. And y'all, these boxes of color, you can just purchase them at your beauty supply store. That's where I got mine. I intentionally wanted to use L'Oreal Color High in the color red because L'Oreal Color High lifts the hair really high. And if you don't know, any permanent color will lift your hair. It may not lift it a lot, but it will lift it. That's why I was able to place this red over this dark brown to get a burgundy shade, which I will see in a minute. But with the L'Oreal Color High, it lifts like nice and it lifts bright. But the store I went to didn't have the L'Oreal Color High, so I just had to do what I had to do. Make sure you wear gloves when you do this. And also, as you can see, I flipped the wig over because you want to make sure you get the underneath as well. And just make sure all the hair is saturated. I didn't go all the way to the roots with the closure. And also, as you can see, I did get a little bit of the dye on the wig cap. And surprisingly, I thought it would stain it, but it didn't end up sticking. And on the closure, on the lace as well, you'll see it has a little bit of burgundy on it. But like I said, it ended up coming out really good, which, I appreciated that. So after I apply all of the color to the wig, I let it sit for probably about 45 minutes just for it to process, and then I wash it out. Okay, so real quick, these are the two colors that I use. As you can see, they are two different shades, but they are by the same brand. So I just mixed them both together. All right, y'all. So this was a body wave. Well, this is a body wave wig. So this is how it looks once I hung it up to dry. Me personally, I like to hang my wigs up and let them air dry overnight, just because I just like the way it looks in the morning, and it's just easier. I'm never in a rush like when I dye my wigs, so I just always let them hang up to dry overnight. But this is how it's looking. As you can see the little tint of the burgundy now. And I'm just going to go ahead and part it as a side part. This particular wig is like a free part. The closure is 4x4, and you can part it either in the middle or on the side. It's completely up to you. So here I'm just molding it to how I want it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and section off the baby hair and, swoop it and stuff like that. All right, so as you can see, I'm just, putting a little swoop swoop in the front like this. And I am using Lotta Body foam. That's what I have on my hand there. And a little trick, once you got your baby hairs the way you want them, if you go ahead and just apply a little bit of heat to them like I did, I just placed the curling iron on the lace. That will go ahead and set the wig for you. So that's just a little tip on that. All right, y'all. So now for the curling, which is, y'all, curling is always my favorite part because I just know afterwards it's going to look so bomb, okay? So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and curl it, and just, real easy, cute, and simple curls. Um, to me, if you're not good with curling with a flat iron, just go ahead and get you a regular old school curling iron like I have. And really, it's easier to curl with a actual curling iron than with the flat iron. So if I'm trying to, just get a nice little, cute curl, I'll go ahead and use the barrel curl. It's quicker as well. So yeah, if y'all need me to do a little curling tutorial, just let me know. So looking at the hair, you can see the tint on the hair. You see it has a burgundy tint, y'all. I love this wig. And honestly, it is a little brighter than what it's actually showing on the screen. Like once you put it outside, girl, it's bomb. To see how it look outside, just follow me on Instagram because I did upload some pictures and I will continue to, upload different videos of different hairstyles and stuff. So yeah. All right. So, yeah, like I was saying, the curling part is really, really easy. You could just throw some curls in. And I do apologize that I was texting y'all. I was doing like a webinar trying to build my business. So, forgive me, okay? Thank you. So, anyways, after I'm done, what I like to do is just comb the curls out, and really, it's up to you how you want it. Like, you could leave it like this, but I ended up curling them all the way out for a more wavy, retro type curl. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this tint to this wig. It looks bomb, okay? Look how the hair is flowing, y'all. This is some bomb hair, and I am here for it. I love it. I love it. Like I stated before, this wig will be on sale on my site. I will list it below. And y'all don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Slade by Tamia. Or you can just type in Slay Queen Boutique, which is the name of my boutique where I have clothing and wigs and everything to have you slayed like a queen, y'all. But anyways, this is how it ended up looking, really cute. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I really, really appreciate y'all. Bye.